How to withdraw money from your WorldCoin to your bank account. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can easily transfer your money from your CoinMarketCap or WorldCoin to your bank account. To do this, what you have to do is simply log into your CoinMarketCap account, and then I will show you the best steps how you can do it. When ready to call cash out, instead of just self-custody, users can transfer the WorldCoin bank or back to a supporting crypto exchange. Now sell for local currency like INR and withdraw the fiat funds out to a connected bank account. The tax obligations on capital gains can apply on your sell or purchase of your stuff or your assets on this WorldCoin or CoinMarketCap. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates, reviews and videos like this.